Best Upright Vacuum Review 2018.
Number 5.
Bissell 9595A Vacuum with 1-Pass. About the product: 1-Pass technology with powerful suction and innovative brush design. Powerful, multi-cyclonic suction system for a deep clean. Turbo brush tool for stairs, furniture, upholstery and more. Large capacity, easy empty dirt bin. Lightweight design at 15 pounds.
Number 4.
Or Commercial XL 2100 RHS. About the product: multi-floor cleaning with micro-sweep technology. 35-foot cord length. High-speed roller brush. Low-profile design. Side edge brushes. Disposable top fill inner bag.
Number 3.
Shark Navigator Deluxe. About the product: powerful and lightweight. Portable and versatile at only 15 pounds. Swivel steering not included. Never loses suction. Powerful cleaning from start to finish. The NV42 has a 25-foot power cord. Large capacity, easy to empty dust cup. Extended cleaning without interruption.
Number 2.
Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional. About the product: a lightweight 2-in-1 lift-away upright vacuum with a detachable canister for portable cleaning power. With the push of a button, lift-away technology allows you to lift the canister away and easily clean in hard-to-reach areas.
Number 1.
Versprint Quick Vac Bagless Upright Vacuum. About the product: powerful, lightweight vacuum in a compact size for more convenient storage. 3-position height adjustment, adjust as needed to clean all flooring types efficiently. 23-foot power cord, vacuum a large room without replugging. Check the description below for details and prices.
Thank you for staying with us.